Okay, since now I have my own camera, I think I can also make you a short video. So this is my desk. It's kind of in a mess because I studied for a while today. Just like all in a mess in my shelf. And this is Kate. And she's not here because I'm alone in the room, so that I can make this video. And this is Peggy's desk. This one, so many stuffs. And the next one is Anne's also, but her desk, both of theirs are more neat than mine. Yeah, that's the desk part. And so you can see that there are many clothes dry in our room. I think you can make fun of me also about it because you did that to your Chinese friend once. Yep. And this is Kate's bed. And this is mine. I think mine is more cleaner. Yep. And the up one, this one is Peggy's with some of her clothes. And this one is Anne's. Yep, that's about my room. I think it's not that small, but 3 of them said it's quite crowded or something. Yes, that's all about it. If you want to know more, you can ask me. Okay, that's all. See you.